Here's an idea for you. Why don't you write for a site like Cracked.com? Cracked is America's leading humor website, and you can write articles, produce videos, or create photo plastering for Cracked and make money. Let's have a look, shall we? If you're funny, smart, or a creative person, Cracked.com is the single best opportunity you will ever come across in your life. Now that's a pretty big sell, but no experience is necessary, and they'll pay you if it's good, and you talk directly to the editors, so you'll know exactly what they're looking for. You just need to click on Register Now, and you'll be taken to a login page where you can log in with Facebook, or just put in your email or details. Now I don't need another login account. So I went to the internet to find out how much you'd get paid to write on Cracked. Of course, there's someone talking about it on Reddit, and they pay $100 per article. And if you get 5 published articles, it goes up to $200. And if your article finishes in the top 10 for the month, then you get an extra $100 bonus. So with Cracked, they're paying a reasonable amount of money for a reasonable amount of work. If you like to write, create funny videos, or even create funny infographics, then maybe you should try writing for Cracked and earn a little bit of extra money online. So start writing today and submit your funny stuff. You just never know, you might find a new career. So that's all I have today. Please subscribe to the channel, and bye for now.